Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna be unboxing the Trust GXT 110 Felox gaming mouse. I like the idea of this mouse. It's a wireless mouse and it's USB rechargeable. It has a built-in battery inside. So let's see what we got inside the box. This is the charging cable, I guess. And look at that, it's black and shiny. I like it. I like the way it looks. I like the design. Since it has a built-in battery, it has a bit more weight than the normal mouse. And it's got a bit of charging port in here. And here's the switch. So we can even turn on the lights. Yo, that looks really good. So you can't even turn off the lights. That's a really good feature. Alright, let me turn it off. And this gotta be the USB that's gonna connect to the laptop or the PC. Do we have anything else? I guess the user manual or something. User guide. We got the user guide. And this paper thingy here. Nothing else in a box. So now let me just test this. Turn this on. Yep, works fine. Pretty decent mouse and it's pretty cheap. I don't know how long this mouse is gonna stay alive, but I like it so far. Like, the design is cool, the idea is cool, rechargeable wireless mouse. So here's a bit more information on a mouse, like it says it here. And the website also says that even if the battery dies, you can plug this into your laptop and keep using it. So that's pretty cool. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.